This is a 2021 Volkswagen ID.4, and while it doesn't have many fluids or oils that we need to be changing and maintaining, the one that absolutely will run out is washer fluid. So I thought I'd shoot a really quick video to show how to change the washer fluid on the car. To really make sure we take care of this from stock to stern in a really quick and easy fashion, and not to assume anything, to pop open the hood, which is where we're going to be going, you're going to go ahead and hit this latch right here. That will cause a nice big pop. I did want to point it out because it's a little hidden. Sometimes it's hard to tell exactly which thing to grab. But with our hood popped, which I went ahead and did, and it's already up, we're going to go ahead and look into our engine bay. What's really great, they made this really dummy proof. We're looking for the big blue top cap, which also has the spray washer logo to it too, which is universal. You always keep an eye out for that across different vehicle options. But if we pop that open, you'll see inside there's a nice little strainer. That's a really nice feature, just to make sure if there's any floaters, strainers, things like that, that you can be sure that that's not going in. Another feature I really like too, nice and clear, so you can see a nice clear sight line of the fluid line as it's coming up. That way it doesn't turn into a geyser and gush up on you. To fill it up, you can always use a funnel. Any funnel really will do. Just make sure it's clean. Even if it has had other fluids in it, you can go ahead and give it a little bit of a careful wash or rinse just to make sure that you get any residuals out of it. I'm going to freehand it, and actually it is something, since we have a little bit of room in the bay, one way to think of it is if you just want to pour it in, you want to focus on getting the tip of the jug as close as possible to here. Sometimes we think about just pouring it and trying to think about how you can line up the stream. Easiest way to line up the stream is to close the distance between the two parts. So I'm going to have my jug here. I'm just going to very, very carefully start pouring it. And again, keeping it really close here. And like I said in the intro, I'm just going to keep an eye on the filler tube. It is actually pretty full, so I'm just doing this a little bit for example. But there's no danger in overfilling, even if it comes up past that mesh that I showed. No damage is going to happen or come to it. But I'll fill it up. And just like that, nice and full. You can see all the nice big blue in there. And we are good. Close the cap, and we're back to good. And just like that, you have topped off your washer fluid and you're ready to go. Simple recommendation, maybe think about checking up on it once every 1-2 months, just to check on the level, maybe top it up. You'll obviously know that you're out if you are running dry and the washer fluid isn't coming out. Another recommendation, even if you're in a warmer climate or if it's in the middle of the summer, do buy washer fluid that is rated to colder temperatures, because you never know when you'll be in a colder climate, or maybe there's that freak snowstorm. There's nothing worse than a frozen washer fluid line when you especially need it. But feel free to comment with any questions or other things. Again, super quick video, but never assuming, especially for those that maybe aren't as initiated to going under the hood, especially on an electric vehicle and looking around. But feel free to like and subscribe. Let me know any other videos that would be helpful to shoot on how to be keeping up with simple, but some maintenance with your Volkswagen. Thanks so much for watching.